Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Amanda Masabudi from student in Office Administration Education, Faculty of Economics and Business, State University of Jakarta. Today, I will presentation my research proposal, which the title The influence of self-efficacy and family environment on interest in entrepreneurship. Students of economics education program, Faculty of Economics and Business, State University of Jakarta. Which the first lecturer, mentor, Dr. Handes, Professor Henry Arianto, MM, and second lecturer mentor, Moni Fasla, SPD, MM. Next slide. Here is a table of contents with six sections as follows. 1. List of figures. 2. List of table. 3. Chapter 1. 4. Chapter 2. 5. Chapter 3. And the last, 6. Bibliography. Next slide. Now let's start with introduction and background of Chapter 1. This research background. First, challenge. High unemployment rate of productive age in Indonesia, 7.2 million people. Second, research problem. Lack of interest in entrepreneurship among students. Third, solutions. Examining the role of self-efficacy and family environment in increasing interest in entrepreneurship. Next, next, next. Next, then the next slide this about research. First data. Only 10% of students are interested in becoming entrepreneurs. 73% choose to become office workers. Next slide. Second data. Only 10% of students will due to the friendship environment. 36.7% of students will due to a lack of entrepreneurial knowledge. Next, where research inhibiting factors. One, lack of knowledge. The 36.7% states that there is a lack of understanding or knowledge about the world of entrepreneurship. Two, lack of access to capital. 23.3%. Limited access to capital is an obstacle and influence low interest in entrepreneurship. Three, family environment. 16.7% ratio to choose a conventional career path or lack of support influence low interest in entrepreneurship. Next slide. Research questions. 1. Does self-efficacy affect entrepreneurial endurance? 2. Does self-efficacy affect entrepreneurial interest? 3. Do self-efficacy and family environment together influence entrepreneurial interest? Next slide. Research purpose. First, analyzing the influence of self-efficacy on entrepreneurial interest. Second, analyzing the influence of family environment on interest in entrepreneurship. Third, analyzing the combined influence of self-efficacy and family environment of entrepreneurial interest. Next slide. Benefit of research. One, theoretical. Can enrich knowledge in the field of entrepreneurship, and the results of this research can be used as useful reference at insight and further research regarding the influence of efficacy self and family environment on interest in entrepreneurship. Two, practical. One, make it an additional source of insight and sense for research in related fields. Two, as a reference input and considerations as evaluation material for the relevant research site to understand the importance of entrepreneurship so that students are interested the pursue pursue entrepreneurship. In addition to reference for future research. Next slide. Chapter 2, literature review. Next. Preview research. 1. Jesselyn Elvina Wijadi and Andi Wijaya 2023. Self-efficacy has a positive influence on entrepreneurial interest. 2. Hari Setiawan and Raffles Ginting 2023. So, family environment has a significant influence on entrepreneurial interest. 3. Dewi Purwaningsih, Ellen Kalina, and Martinus Tokiwan 2023. The influence of self-efficacy on students' interest in entrepreneurship. Next, theoretical framework. First, the influence of self-efficacy on entrepreneurial interest. Based on research conducted by Mayani and Lestari 2022, which the title The Influence of Achievement and Self-Efficacy on interest, entrepreneurship in FKIP, University of Economics Education students, Muhammadiyah Bengkulu, which result obtained from self-efficacy has an influence on interest in entrepreneurship among FKIP students, Muhammadiyah University of Bengkulu, Faculty of Economic Education. Next slide. The influence of family environment on entrepreneurial interest. Based on research conducted by Fadila and Tamwin 2019 on students in it states that family environment variables have a significant effect on entrepreneurial intent in the sense that family support plays an important role in starting and conducting entrepreneurial activities, which means that family environment variables have a significant effect on entrepreneurial interest. In another sense, family support plays an important sorry, role in starting and conducting entrepreneurial activities. The influence of self-efficacy and family environment on entrepreneurial interest. Based on research conducted by Yulia Evalia 2019, which the title The Influence of Self-Efficacy and Family Environment on Students' Interest in Entrepreneurship shows the variables of self-efficacy and family environment, particularly on students' interest in entrepreneurship. Next slide. Hypothesis. Thesis. Um, one, one, there is a positive and significant direct influence of self-efficacy on students' entrepreneurial interest. Two, Two, there is a direct positive and significant influence of the family environment on students' entrepreneurial interests. Sorry. There is a joint positive and significant influence between self-efficacy and family environment on students' entrepreneurial interests. Next slide. Chapter 3. Research methods. Research methods. There are several types of research methods as follows. Approach. Quantitative. Population. Total. 667 of economic education study program student faculty of economics and business UNJ. Instrument questionnaire related to variables self-efficacy, family, environment, and interest in entrepreneurship. Analysis data analysis, sorry. Descriptive statistical test, multiple linear regression test, closing. Closing contribution provide new understanding about the importance of self-efficacy and family support, and the last encourage students opportunities to become successful entrepreneurs. Thank you. That is the presentation of the research proposal that I can convey. I am very to open suggestions and input that you provide to improve this research. Thank you for your attention and time. I apologize if there are any shortcomings in the previous response. Furthermore, I invite you to provide questions or input related this research. Thank you.